Okay, I got one video uploaded so far. I got 1% of the next video. Let's see how long it takes to upload. Could be here for a while uploading, and then once it's uploaded I could send it all over to Guinness for the certificate. Okay, want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay. I am still waiting for this to load. It's been about 24 hours since it's been loading, and it's been loading that whole time. So I set up again for lights, camera, action.
Ooh, I want to play Jenga.
You can play a game of Jenga first.
I did it one. Look, I did it one. I'm trying to lose. Look at that one. That one. That one. Oh, yes. It is loose. Now, there it's loosened. I think you're gonna lose. I think you're gonna lose. I saw it. Stuck on the top. You were not careful. I know. You couldn't knock. Please.
Don't bump the table.
What?
I just moved the whole tower.
Is it gonna get out? Get it out! 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 You're gonna lose.
What if I try to pick a different piece?
No.
No, I have to get this piece?
Yes. You wobbled.
Wibbled and wobbled, but it didn't fall down. Yeah. Can we straighten the top or not? No, we're not allowed to. You just have to start sucking it this way. Jenga, you win!
Probably it was me because he leaned it on the table like this. Bill. No, just in my towel. I'm not gonna wash my head.
Cool.
Paradise.
Let's just have fun.
I know what we could do over here. build a towers. Amazing. Jenga.
Oh my. Oh my. That was odd. That usually doesn't happen to me.
What happened?
Well, it started to fall apart.
Oh, okay.
Hey! What's going on?
I'll get that piece.
Alright, starting the layer of 20 blocks here. The Guinness thing is taking a long time to upload. That's 4 layers of 20 blocks. seconds. Alright. I saw on the Guinness Best of the Month compilations, they had most Jenga blocks stacked on one vertical Jenga block. And it said 208. And I was so excited, I paused the video, I went immediately to GuinnessWorldRecords.com, I got the application, and I submitted my application before even watching the rest of the video. Because I was just like, that's the number, I could do that! And I wanted to double the record originally when I got this certificate, but I only got to 353 before I paused and made the measurements. Oh, I should measure this again. See if it's any different with that one down there. I don't think it should be. It's still 18¼ inches tall. And 14 inches wide. Tell Vince, hey, go tell Vincent to get his marbles, Jaslyn.
Okay. You done?
I'm done. Don't knock it over yet.
Okay. We gotta get them all.
We could go, yeah, get your marbles, and we'll drop some marbles in the top, and see if they pop out the bottom.
Since I'm getting his marbles. Since I'm getting his drop down now. I'm dropping down.
Wait.
Drop down. I can't feel it.
Oh, whoa. Okay, maybe you should stand over here on this one. Don't touch the table.
Oh, okay.
Drop another one in.
Drop another one in. It didn't come out.
Oh, I could see it landing just right there. See?
Let me see. Oh, there they are. Oh, and they don't pop right out. They get stuck in there. Hilarious.
I'm to get in the picture.
Okay. Yeah, let me see. Oh, there they are. Oh, and they don't pop right out. They get stuck in there. Hilarious.
I'm to get in the picture.
Okay.
Let's put the big one. Let's put the
Please.
didn't come.
Wait, it didn't. No, it didn't. Hang on. Let me look at that.
The big ones. What's the big
Don't touch.
one?
Don't lean on the table when you're moving around. And you just threw a marble at it, didn't you?
Yes.
So
he's putting the marbles down into it.
That's cool. Don't.
Ooh.
Wait, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. We didn't try playing Jenga. We didn't do the marble thing. Let me do the marble. Let me drop a marble.
Yeah.
You didn't let me drop a marble. You didn't.
I want to.
Okay.
The one is
Don't lean on the table, Jaslyn.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
no, Jaslyn,
Just
don't.
Jaslyn,
Get
don't
back,
touch the
get
table.
back.
You almost made it all fall on you. Oh, I wasn't ready for that.
Why are you just throwing that?
I'm trying to make a basket.
Yeah.
I'm trying to shoot it like a basket.
He's trying to shoot a basket.
Just gonna do the flame dunk.
Oh.
You could just do a slam dunk. Yeah, well, okay, you're right. I could just do a slam dunk.
Just do a slam dunk.
Slam dunk.
Slam dunk. Okay.
I want to do it from over here, though.
Okay.
You look. marble almost.
Okay.
I'm Jackson. Get off. Just don't lean on the table. Don't lean on the table.
Oh, you leaned on the table.
Hey, this is marble.
You leaned on the table.
Oh man.
There's marble.
That's
That was
it.
cool.
Yay!
That was the only way to get the
I
marbles.
wasn't ready.
Me didn't got the chance to knock it out. It was ready. Jackson.
Okay. So, we got the biggest chunk of this downloaded, and it is almost 2 in the morning. I started, let's see, let's go over a timeline. On May 13th, I built the tower with 487 blocks. On May 14th, I organized all my footage. On May 15th, I began sending it all over. On May 16th, I built the tower again. On May 17th, it is still loading. And it is now May 18th. Like when I wake up tomorrow morning, it'll be May 18th, and hopefully it'll be done loading by then. There we go. Okay, it is now the Wednesday after I stacked the Jenga, and it is still uploading here. And now I'm using Google Drive because Guinness upload failed multiple times, and that one that I showed the camera that it had the green check mark, I'm glad I showed the camera because it didn't save somehow, and then I spent days more trying, and it's probably gonna get through tonight, and I'm eager to start the next record with the dominoes, and I haven't even been able to edit this all yet, so I don't even know how I'm gonna edit this all together yet. Okay, it is now the 21st, Thursday. It's been 6 days of upload time, and I finally got everything uploaded to the internet. There was a lot of failed uploads, and then I had to upload to Google Drive instead. Luckily enough, I'm very lucky to have someone with Guinness working with me so that I could send him the files through Google Drive rather than uploading them directly to Guinness. So I just finished doing that, and now I have to wait till it gets to Guinness before I could actually submit for the certificate. And now my computer's finally freed up because it's been uploading for 6 days straight. I could actually start editing this video that you're hopefully watching.
Try again.
Oh, you leaned on the table.
Hey, this is marble.
You leaned on the table. Oh no.
Oh man.
There's marble.
That's it.
Cool.
Yay!
Lean on the table. Don't lean on the table.
Oh, you leaned on the table.
Hey, this is marble.
You leaned on the table.
Oh man.
There's marble.
That's
That was
it.
cool.